In this example, I will show you how to copy documents from a catalog into an existing assembly. In our session, we have CATProduct and CATlog documents. Let's start with the catalog. In the catalog, in the left side, there are two types of icons: the folder icon, which identifies the chapter, and also we have sheet plus arrow icon, which identify the family in another catalog. Now, we have here the main chapter, which is all fasteners, and two subchapters. Double-click the all fasteners. As you see, all the contents displayed on the right side. Let's see the contents of screws, for example. Double-click on the screws chapter. As you see, new results appear in the right part of the dialog box. Click Reference tab. You see now a list of the contents available here. Select the Preview tab. As you see, geometry representations are displayed this time. Go back to the Reference tab and right-click any of these entities. Then select a document. As you see, the document is opened. Then you can edit this entity just like any other one. Let's close it for now. Okay then, let's see how to insert one of these entities. Select any one that you wish to copy, then right-click it. Then select Copy command. Activate the CATProduct document as the required target. Remember, the target could be any component, but not the CATProduct document. Now right-click the selected one and choose the Paste option. That's it. We just inserted entity from a catalog.